In today's video, we will make use of the blur effect in Camtasia. It is used to blur sensitive information on your video, like login details and in this case, blur the credit card information. Let's get started. First, we will import your video into the Camtasia timeline. Select the clip you want to apply the blur effect to. In the Annotations tab, choose the blur effect and drag and drop the blur annotation onto the clip. Adjust the size and position of the blur annotation to cover the area you want to blur. You can also adjust the intensity of the blur effect using the Properties panel. As the credit card is moving a bit, we need to do motion tracking by using keyframes. In Camtasia 2021, there is no auto motion tracking and must be done manually. Next, we will have to improvise a bit to do motion tracking of the moving card. For that, we will drag a custom animation onto the blur annotation's entire length. Adjust the position and size of the annotation to match the object's movement you want to track. You can fine-tune the animation path by adjusting the keyframe section of the clip on the custom animation. Play the clip back and insert extra keyframes with the use of the custom animation. When you are satisfied, you can export video. That's it for this tutorial. Keep an eye out for the video in the Camtasia series